Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious broken lasagna bake, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is brown some ground beef. Of course, we're going to cook this all the way through, just like so. Once it is cooked, we're going to go ahead and drain that fat and pour in your favorite spaghetti sauce. You can make yours from scratch or you can use jar just like I'm doing here. And of course, we're going to put a little bit of water in that jar to get all of that sauce out of there. Pour it in. And now we're going to season this up with some salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I'm also going to be using some Kinder's garlic and herb seasoning, as well as an Italian seasoning blend, and of course some sugar. Of course, we want to give this a good stir to make sure that all of those seasonings are well incorporated into our sauce. And we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes or so while we work on the other things that go along in this dish. So my sister and I always talk about food. She went to culinary school and everything and graduated, so we always have conversations about food. And she was telling me about this like Alfredo spaghetti thing that went viral on TikTok. I'm not on TikTok, so I'm not privy to a lot of things that go along there. But she told me to give it a try, so I was like, okay, well, let me see if I can jazz it up and try it for myself. So as I'm doing all the steps, I look in my pantry and I realize I don't have any spaghetti noodles, no linguine. Nothing of the sort. I did not want to go to the store, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to use what I have. I have a variety of different pastas here, and I see the lasagna, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to break up the lasagna, and I'm going to use that as my pasta of choice for this dish. So you guys just saw me make an Alfredo sauce, 1 stick of butter, 1 pint of heavy cream, a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning, and some grated Parmesan cheese, and that is what's going to coat the pasta, just like so. You can do it in a pot, or you can just do it in the pan that you're going to bake it in, just like I'm doing here. Just make sure that that is well coated, and then we're going to go ahead and put that pasta sauce that's been simmering away. We're going to put that on top and smooth it out, just like so. I shaved some havarti and some fontina. I'm going to put that on the top, as well as some more of that grated Parmesan cheese, a little bit of parsley to make it pretty. I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for approximately 25 minutes until everything is nice and golden and bubbly and brown and delicious looking. I was not going to post this video, you guys, because I'm like, I did not have the correct noodles for this dish. But then I thought about that word correct, and then I thought about how I love to cook. And I don't do a lot of measurements. I cook from the heart. I cook with a lot of love. So incorrect pasta or not, this dish came out really, really good. My kids say they actually prefer the broken lasagna noodles, lo and behold. So I'm glad I didn't bother going to the store to get the spaghetti for this dish. So using what I had actually worked out for the best. With all of my rambling, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and even share it with a friend. Y'all, this dish was absolutely delicious. I can see why everybody's been kind of going nuts over this combination of the Alfredo and the spaghetti sauce. It was beautifully paired, and I will be trying it again. If you've already tried it for yourself, I would love to know how much you enjoy it as well. Once again, thank you guys so much for clicking and watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.